Right, looks like not all companies are selling stake in order to get valuation or attractive partners. Some companies are selling stake because they are in deep debt and the problems are just rising. Wockhardt is one such company which we reported on that they are going to sell their Irish business Pinewood for about $200 million. But that apart, it's the debt on the balance sheet which is causing such headaches.
Inside Wockhardt's headquarters, a new strategy is being worked out to deal with the slowdown. Its chairman, Habil Khorakiwala, got back from Europe this morning, and according to sources, he has decided to put Wockhardt's Irish business Pinewood for sale for $200 million. Sources say Sanofi is leading the race to buy it, but probably for a better and lower price. Wockhardt is sitting on massive debt, and its debt-to-equity ratio is already more than 2.3:1. As numbers show that Wockhardt's market cap is $200 million, which means any equity dilution will be small, because if it is much more, then it will have an impact on the earnings. The debt is big, nearly $600 million that's been declared by the company already, of which there is an FCCB of $133 million. Now, this FCCB is due for repayment next year. But does Wockhardt have the money to pay back? Not as of now. The conversion price is at 486 rupees per share. But during the market crash, the stock has now slipped to 100 rupees, which means it needs to turn at least 6 times over for it to match that conversion price. For Wockhardt, selling Pinewood is just the first step. And since the asset continues to have a good presence in UK, Wockhardt hopes to sell it while the going is good. For repaying the rest of the debt, the company has been looking to raise more money through equity as well as debt. So who loses in the end? Perhaps the investor, because on one hand, you've got interest rates that have actually shaved off the earnings of Wockhardt. On the other, a possible equity dilution is in any case going to hurt the... That's why Wockhardt's cup of woes will certainly have to play out very carefully if investor faith has to be retained. In Mumbai, Shaili Chopra, NDTV.